Hello everybody, welcome back to the Jantek Industries product showroom. Again, my name is Kellen and today we're going to be taking a look at a specialty window called a garden window. We have an example of it right here next to me. So what we're going to do, as always, we're going to break down the window into three parts. First, taking a look at its frame, then we're going to talk about its hardware and functionality, and then we'll mention some of the features that you as the homeowner can add on to this window. Let's take a look. All right, so we can see the front here of the garden window. So the frame makeup of this is pretty simple. You have a vinyl clad wooden birch frame, fused welded on the sides here, sheet of glass in the front, sheet of glass on top, and then you have two operable panels on either side. Let's take a look at this panel. So this window will be able to swing out. This window is non-operable, this is non-operable, and then this side will operate and swing out as well too. So now we can see the inside of the garden window. As you can see, the solid, really nice, smooth birch veneer wooden frame. All the way, this is what the interior would look like. And you can see, you got your glass and where the vinyl comes over top of it. So now you got the two operable panels here. This is how they function. You got your lock, very similar to the casement windows. That'll crank out the Euro handle. And they can go all the way to that angle. And then you just turn it right back in. Once it's here, fold the handle down. The lock option is there, and you pull this lever down, and it locks right in. Same exact thing on the side. They're going to both open outward, and they'll allow air and ventilation for your garden window. Now I want to talk about some of the features that you as the homeowner can add on to your Jantek Industries garden window. One of the ones that comes standard is an insulated seat board. So this, during installation, is going to go underneath your garden window for better insulation. The second thing that you can add on to your Jantek Industries garden window is a glass shelf that'll sit right underneath the top panel of your glass in the garden window. And what this will do will allow you to display any type of item that you would. It's a decorative piece, and it is an option for you to add on or not, or if you'd like to keep it open like it is here on display. The glass shelf is wrapped up in cardboard. This is how it will come to you. It will not come just plain glass. So some of the things I wanted to mention about the Jantek Industries garden window is usually they come in white, but if you do want a specific color, make sure to call and ask, because they do come in certain colors, but not every single one. So you want to check with your Jantek rep about that. As far as the inside, the wood, that is up to you, that you can paint and or stain any color that you'd like. Also keep in mind, as far as the glass package goes with the garden window, it only comes in double pane glass due to the weight. So garden windows from Jantek only come in double pane. They do not come in triple pane. All right, everyone, that has been our overview of the Jantek Industries garden window. For more information on this window or any window we design, manufacture, and install, make sure to check out our website at jantekwindows.com, or always feel free to stop into the showroom and speak with us in person. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Kellen, and remember to save energy and capture comfort. We'll see you next time. Take care.